Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access. To remove the lower spray arm, start by removing the lower basket. The lower spray arm is found here. To remove, simply unclip and pull it up and away from the dishwasher. You may need to replace a spray arm if the holes become blocked from hard water, or the spray arm may come apart after years of use. Unpackage your new spray arm ready to install. To install the new spray arm, simply click it into place. Give it a spin to make sure it's spinning correctly. Reinsert your lower basket. And that's it! Your new dishwasher lower spray arm is all set to go.